everybody, and welcome to my channel. I have a unpackaging from eBay today. So purchased a couple of items from there. So this is one of the items. So let's just get into it. So just looks like this. It's like a brown bag inside of the white one. Or maybe it's not a bag, it's paper. Brown paper. Sorry if you can hear my dogs. So this is what it is. Oh my gosh. This box is awful. Okay. And so what I got is I got a new Livia. So I got a purple one again. So there's the purple one. It came with two of the little things and one of the gel packs. Also came with, I was really shocked, because my other one did not come with this. It came with a place to put it. So literally put it in here, excuse me, put it in here and close it up. I wonder, yes. So you can put the little things up here. So it's super nice. So now I have, I'll be honest with you, now I have two of these. This box is like awful. Love my Livia, but I have been having, if you don't want to listen to any more of this, if you have periods and you have pain, purchase this. If not, purchase this one. This is this brand. I'm testing that one. So, possibly get that one. This one I've had for a while. My other one a while. So, usually I have pain right here in my lower belly. And for the last few periods, I've had it in my back. So, I bought this one to test out. And I bought an extra Livia. So, I am super excited about that. They said that this one had some defects, they said on the listing, I think. My husband read. So, let's see. Well, it's not charged. Oh, yeah, it is. I don't feel anything yet. Oh, these have been used. I don't think I want to use these. Looks like these have been used. See how they're not, that one's not aligned? That has been used. I may just put a new thing on it. I can feel it, so this is working. Try this one. And this one is brand new. I'm just trying to stick it on my skin to see. Okay, this one doesn't seem to work. Yeah, it's not working. Oh, hold on, wait. Yeah, I don't think it's working. This one is brand new and it don't work. This one needs like the little, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. So the pads, see around it, you can tell that that's not new. This one is, I think this one's new, but they just didn't line it up correctly. That one is definitely not new. Anyway, I will, I guess, change that out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.